Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, Sunday the 2nd of March. Um, I've just come on here. I've just come to make this video because I thought you all were owed a bit of an explanation as to where I've been and what I've been doing. This is just a very short video, no ads or anything like that, so you can just watch it uninterrupted. Um, yeah. So look, I've been struggling the last, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Really been struggling to get back into things since my Christmas break. The motivate I just have zero motivation at the moment. I'm really struggling to get myself back into the swing of things. I'm not trying to get sympathy. I'm not trying to get you to think, oh, poor Nick. We all have bad days. We all have bad weeks. We all have bad months, and I'm just going through a bit of a bad patch at the moment. Um, I was supposed to put a video out last Friday. No, sorry, last weekend. Um, but because I had quite a difficult roof clean that overran, which meant it had to eat into the day, which I was going to record a video, a patio cleaning video. So that never happened. This week, the Friday just gone, Friday the 28th of February. I had another patio cleaning job lined up. Got to the job, customer said, "Look," I asked the customer, "Can I film this?" And at first they said yes, but I could see they weren't too comfortable with it. And they actually then said to me, "Look, Nick, I'm sorry, I don't want you to film it. I don't feel comfortable," which is fine. I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable, so I had to accept that that was her wishes and respect it. And of course, I respect that. Not everyone wants to be filmed. So yeah, that video was lost as well. So I've actually got nothing to show you this weekend. So no video this weekend. Um, I also wanted to apologise. My last video with the big roof cleaning, with the bush that was in the way, and I was cutting it back. I haven't responded to any of the comments. I haven't even love-hearted anything. I do apologise, guys. Look, I just sometimes I get so tired at work, and I get home and I just literally want to have some dinner, have a shower, watch a bit of TV, and then go to bed. And yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I didn't even really look at the comments. So look, please don't take it personally. I've just been having an off couple of weeks. But yeah, that's what's been happening with me. I just wanted to explain to you. Yeah, I explained to you and apologise. I'm getting back into the swing of things slowly but surely. So I've got a roof cleaning job booked in for next week, which I think will be a good one. And then the following week, I'm back at the job with the mega mossy roof and the patio as well is made of cobbles. And I didn't clean that, but the guy has actually contacted me because he's selling the house. He wants me to clean the cobbles. So that's a continuation of another job that of a video that did quite well. So I'm hoping that's going to be something you'll enjoy watching as well. But anyway, look, guys. Sorry again. I am back in the swing of things. Just I've had a rough patch. That's all. And look, I just want you to know I really appreciate all your support and your really nice comments. I've got some really cracking regular viewers, and I really, really do appreciate you. I just want you to know that. But if sometimes you don't hear from me for a while, it's because I may be struggling a little bit, and it's not a big issue. But sometimes my business YouTube, it can all get on top of me, so I tend to withdraw a little bit, and I know that's not the way to do it, but that's just the way I've always been, and I thought you needed an explanation to understand why and what was happening. So anyway, look, enough waffle because I am definitely waffling now, and I will see you next Sunday for a video. I might put a couple of shorts out this week, but I know most of you aren't really into that, but I need to keep the algorithm interested. So, so I hope you all have a good week next week, and I will see you next Sunday. Cheers.